Today we're showing you a 2017 John Deere 4044M tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor, has a D170 front loader with it. Tractor has just, just under 180 hours on it. It's a very nice, clean little tractor. Has a 6-foot quick attach front bucket. Top of the bucket is bent a little bit, as you can see here. Overall, the bucket's in good shape, but the top is bent. Looks like they got a little aggressive with pushing something. Front grill guard on the tractor does show some scratches. Other than that, the paint is good. Does have the R4 industrial tires. Tractor also comes with a balance of the factory warranty. Has a foldable rollover bar, 3-point hitch, 540 PTO back here. It's got the 1212 power reverser transmission. You can shift the reverser right up here in the steering column. You can do the reverser without clutching. 12 speeds in the tractor. You've got 4 synchronized gears right beside the seat, plus 3 ranges back here behind you. Also have your 4-wheel drive engagement lever right here beside the seat. To the right, you've got your 3-point control as well as your PTO engagement up on the console. Foot throttle and individual brakes, as well as clutch pedal down below. You take trades, also offer trucking and financing. Tractor also must pass a 40-point inspection prior to pickup or delivery. And again, this tractor does sell with the balance of the John Deere factory warranty, so you can buy with confidence. If you have any questions, please contact us.